Hello and welcome to MOTOCOM tutorials. So in today's tutorial, I'll be letting you know how to set up a question and answers website. Before proceeding, let me introduce you to some features of our website. Our theme offers you a complete solution to build a question and answers website like Quora or Stack Overflow, along with the plugin which enables the admin to use the reCAPTCHA code, also offering the multilingual option. You can also make the questions public or private. Also, another feature which is astonishing is that it can allow you to vote for the best answer and pick the best answer. So let me show you how to set up the theme. After the user has purchased and downloaded our multi-concept WordPress theme, we need to proceed with the activation of same. For this, we will go to the Appearance tab. Here you can see our MOTOCOM multi-concept WordPress theme. So we need to activate it. Further, it will take us to authentication page where the user needs to put the authentication key which he can get from members area. So I am putting it and need to save the changes. So you can see the successfully authenticated message asking you to click here. Clicking here will further take you to the plugin installation page where we need to install all the plugins required to make our website run. The first and foremost will be the basic required plugins. So here you can see two options. The first will be the auto install where the user can within a single click install all the sub plugins inside it. Next, the user can also manually opt to install one by one all the plugins inside it. I am going for the auto install option. So you can see that it will take some moments. So here you can see the successfully installed message, and now the screen will refresh. If you see this screen, we need to go again back to our plugin screen. For this, we need to go to the settings tab and plugin screen. So we will get back to the plugin installation page. As it is our question and answers website, we need to install the plugin for the same. So here is the question and answers based plugin. Again, I am going for the auto install option. So you can see that plugin has been successfully installed, and again this screen will refresh. Now, skipping this for the moment, the user can now choose to manually set up all the pages from scratch and put the content or use a demo importer plugin. I am going to put the demo importer plugin which I have already downloaded it on my desktop. You can further get it from members area like the authentication key. For this, we need to go to the plugins and add new option. Here, you see the option for upload the plugin and choose the file. Here is the demo importer plugin that has been saved on the desktop. Install now. Further, it will ask you to activate the plugin. So we need to click on Activate Plugin tab. The activation will take us to the demo page where we can see 17 demo for the niche domains. So we have to import demo for question and answers website. You can see it here or you can filter it from above. So choosing that. So here it is. You can also choose to preview or import the demo. I am going for importing the demo. As you can see, this demo has been successfully imported and tab has turned to imported, and the screen is refreshing. After the demo has been successfully imported, let me show you how the site looks like. You can choose to visit the site from here. So this is how our question and answers website looks like. You can put the question here and search. Also, you can filter it as per the questions answered. Recent post, recent comments, trending questions, first questions. So let me show you how you can edit this from the backend. For this, you need to go to the questions tab and go to the questions. Here you can see what all questions have been answered, or the author, the category the question has been put along with the tags and their date. You can choose to put add new questions from this tab. So you need to put the question along with the description of it, whether you want to make it status to open, pending. You can also choose to put the author and answers found. Now you can choose for the category the question belongs to along with adding the question tab. Next up, you can choose to publish. Also, you can choose to make any instance to the settings. First, the general settings. How you want the page settings to look like for the question list or ask question page. Here are settings for before a question appears. The question must be manually approved, so you need to tick mark this. Other question settings, answer settings. If you need to show all answers on single questions page. How the vote settings may be allow an anonymous vote. So you can tick mark that. Here it's also the captcha settings. So which type of captcha settings you need, you can choose that. Next up, you can similarly set up for emails, permissions, and licenses. For answers, you can go to this tab. So you can see the answers that have been submitted along in response to the question. In case you want to add any new answer, you can add it by tabbing. So you can put the title of your answer, put the description of your answer. You can also choose to put your name and this add custom fields. Whether you want to allow the discussion or comments on your answers, you can tick mark that also. After putting all the things, you can also choose to put the question ID you are willing to answer to. And putting all the details, you can go to the Publish tab. So that's all about the question and answers website. Thank you for watching the video.